in the pharmaceutical manufacturing industry, there's a lot of interest in AI. However, there's a lot of caution as well because the products that we make in this industry can directly affect human health and life. It's important in your organization to start to have these conversations and move kind of like away from the notion that there is no AI at this company to, people are using it. They may not be using it on a company issued account, but they are using it on the side somehow. Even if you look at the tools that are coming in, Microsoft is starting to put Copilot into all of its products, and if you're kind of not being proactive, it'll just kind of slip in and it'll be there anyway. So understanding from an organizational standpoint, kind of learning what AI is and its implications and what it means for you as an organization. From the data privacy point, it's really important in our industry and a lot of industries to respect kind of that confidentiality that we have in place with our clients. A very common thing that we look for when, we're looking at AI tools is, hey, is our data being used to train the next model, right? Because we don't want things that we've talked about to just all of a sudden be in the general knowledge base for the next thing. But we also need to respect that for our clients too. So if we're somehow using AI to help us to do things for our clients, we need to make sure that that data is not making its way into something